Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The town of Mandeville has been featured in a lot of recent narratives in light of its highly sought after living conditions and newly added amenities for a comfortable lifestyle. These townhouses nestled in Monticello Park properly represent that reputation of Mandeville. They are situated in a pleasant and developed residential area, literally 3 minutes driving distance from the Mandeville town. Therefore, this place of residence is close to food spots, shopping locations, commercial facilities, including banks, and 2 minutes from the famous Manchester Golf Club. The units themselves will be on adequate sized lots, facilitating comfortable parking. They will have welcoming powder rooms for visitors, views from the top floor, and wonderful cool Mandeville climate, providing the ideal family package. And their design gives them potential for rental income if desired. You can choose from either a 3 bedroom or 4 bedroom unit. Call the agent and book a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at these townhouses and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for these townhomes are as follows. If you want a 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, the cost is Jamaican 60 million. If you want a 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, the cost is Jamaican $70 million. To purchase one of these units, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.